So how do you use the cloud? I mean, there are various options there as well. And there are these few options which come to mind. And I think we're going to talk one by one. So either one can go completely into public cloud, and companies like Amazon and Google and Microsoft and others, which I was talking about, what provide that capability. You start with the services from the provider, and all of that is addressed. Everything is provided from their perspective. The second, which one comes to, is private cloud. You still have a cloud capability, but it's almost like it's a data center in your company behind a firewall. It definitely offers more security and control, but requires a company to purchase all the software, hardware, make it expensive. You use it or not, you have to take care of that. When to use this? Control and security, if that's your number one criteria, that's when the time you think about private cloud, especially as I mean, certain more restrictive or sectors like healthcare and finance, I think may make this choice. And slowly they're getting into cloud as well, the public cloud. But that's one of the bigger criteria for security and data privacy guidelines. Many companies have, which is this hybrid cloud. To some extent, they have a mix of public cloud and on-premises. There's certain applications which cannot be taken to the cloud for whatever reasons, maybe some of the things that you mentioned in the previous slide about the security and the privacy and several reasons and compliance be causing that. So they end up having a mix of both, and that's definitely a very common scenario. Companies, when they're moving to cloud, that could be another point when they have things in transition, and this could lead to this combination as well. So there could be also another not so common but the option of community cloud. The cost is shared between different organizations, and they have relationship between them. Salesforce has a community that facilitates communication between organizations, employees, partners, and customers. So that's one example where you can think about that. Not so common, but there are a few scenarios like